Hey guys, welcome back to Joe's Chronicles. For my returning subscribers, thank you. For my new viewers, hey, how are you doing? So today, I'm really excited. Woo! I'm excited because I decided to share my unboxing experience with you. I recently upgraded from an iPad 6th gen and a first generation Apple Pencil that worked wonderfully through medical school. But now that I am working, I need something a little bit smaller that can fit in my scrap top or my white coat. Anything can fit in your scrap top and your white coat, technologically feasible. So I'm very excited. Listen, you need to be excited as well, you know. Not because it's iPad mini 6th generation, but because I actually waited about this yesterday, and I said to myself, you know what? I should share my unboxing experience, you know, because there might be somebody out there who, especially in the Caribbean, who wants to buy this and they're not sure, you know. So, oh Jesus, I damaged it already. You know, they're not sure. So this is my little unboxing. This is so exciting. Before we go any further, you know, it's a little rough today, but it's okay because every day you're not gonna be drop dead gorgeous. You're not gonna have all your stuff together, especially as a doctor. Don't let anybody lie to you. You are not. Some days you're gonna get up and look like okay. I am on my A&E rotation, and I am on the graveyard shift this week. I came in at 5 a.m. and I'm so exhausted. And I was rudely awakened by my 2-year and almost 5-month-old. It's like, Mommy, my hamper requires changing. Nice. Baby, I need to sleep. Only if okay guys, so we're going to get into the unboxing now. And if you can hear my fan in the background, so sorry for the fan, but not sorry for the fan. Okay? Let's get into the unboxing. And this one is the iPad mini 64 gig, just Wi-Fi. I don't see any point in getting cellular since I have a mobile phone. Yeah. And this is the purple. Let's start. Woo-hoo. Throw that over there. Is this actually Oh yeah, it's left. Oh, God, I can't unbox my Lord Jesus. So this is it. This is the device. It's really small. It is really small, like it's really small. Let's put that aside for a bit. You know, the usual things that come in. Nobody wants that. This is the charging block and wire or cable, whatever. Oh, sweat. Oh, look at this. You can actually hold it. You know, you can actually hold it with one hand, and it's small enough for you to comfortably type with two hands. This is awesome. So let's set this one aside for now. Let it do its thing while we unbox the 2nd gen MacLeod. So that one was rough. Okay, that's gonna have to wait. Oh, it's tight out. Instructions. Put it back in the box. Oh, Lord. Well, it feels much different than the 1st gen pencil. Like, much different because this anti-slip coat and just one flat edge. I guess this would be the charging edge versus the 1st generation. The entire thing was slippery smooth. It had a cap at the top, which you took off the cap to charge into the connecting port. And you know, you'd always worry about losing this thing. But look at So on this one, oh, this is the charging. Ooh, look at that. Actually, wow. Did you see? Did you see that? Look, look. So magnetic, look. Ah. Okay. That is really nice. So that is it for this video. I'm going to continue playing with this thing and seeing what it's about. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time.